everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Mirabel Family TV. Please, before the video starts, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. So this video is going to be a challenge, Benin language versus French. My mom is going to say something in Benin and I have to say it in English, and I'm going to say something in French and she has to say it in English.
And the winner?
The winner, we have a gift. This is a gift.
It's a packet of biscuits which we love so much, but this pattern we haven't eaten this one before. The one we used to buy before is different from this, but it looks the same anyway. So I just let me buy it because of the challenge. So we use the opportunity to test this one if it's better than the one we are buying before. Not we, it's the winner. If I'm the winner, I'll eat it alone. If Mirabel is the winner, she will eat it alone. I guess I'm going to be the winner because she's not good in Benin. I know I will win because I know you will fail my test. You know I'm trying in French now. Okay.
Yes.
Alright, people, start first.
Okay, so I'm going to start.
Because you wrote your own down,
yes,
and I didn't write my own. As the Benin woman that I am, I don't need to write it. I know what to ask. I know what you don't know how to say.
First is fais attention en conduisant.
Fais attention au conduisant.
En conduisant.
En conduisant. I know it. You read it fast so that I will not know it. Do you know what she did, guys? She read it very fast so that I will not understand. So as she read it the second time, I know what she said. You said I should be careful while driving. I've been fast for years, See this girl, she wants to try me. Okay, I got the answer now.
Yes, so you have
okay. 1 point. Okay. Okay, I want to ask my own now. Wow, Weaver.
What are you doing there?
You got it.
I'm praying.
1-1. The next time I'm going to ask a difficult one.
No.
Okay, ask your one.
Okay.
I will not look at your paper.
J'ai entendu dire que le Japon est un bel endroit.
J'ai entendu. Read it again.
J'ai entendu dire que le Japon est un bel endroit.
I know it. I heard people said that Japanese is a good place.
Japanese is not a culture. Japanese is a language.
You say Japanese.
Japonais, c'est Japon. You say Japanese. Japanese is like you say japonais est un bel endroit. And japonais is a language. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. It's like I say I'm going to English.
But okay, read the question again. This girl.
J'ai entendu dire que le Japon est un bel endroit.
Okay, I know it. Okay, she said, I heard people said that Japan is a good place. I got it. Okay, now it's me now. Do you have a dom and you can buy it? Do you have a dom and you can buy it?
Go and see if the person that is outside is here.
I don't know. Say answer it now. Do you have a dom and you can buy it?
Go and see first. I don't know it's go and see you say first en premier.
Yes.
Go and see if the person on the road is here.
But you have to say it now so that I will tell you if it's correct or not. Don't ask me again.
But if I'm not correct, you will say that it's trop tard.
But say it now.
Go and see if the person on the road is here.
But you're asking me. I cannot
No,
say yes or no. So you have to answer it and I will
that?
say it's correct. Okay, I will say it once again. Do you have a dom and you can buy rain?
Go and see if the person that is waiting outside is here.
You answer it's okay?
No.
Do you have a dom and you can buy rain?
Tell me I'm wrong now.
But you have to say okay, you answer it already now before I will say okay, it's correct.
Okay, but don't say the answer. I just tell me I'm wrong.
Okay, say it again.
Okay. Go and see if the person that is outside.
Go and see if the person is correct already.
Okay. Go and see if the person that is on the road. No. Go and see if the person that is coming is here. Wait. Go and see if the person.
But time over.
No, wait, I know. Go and see if the person that is coming is here.
No. because you got half of it. Go and see if the person I'm waiting for outside is here.
Oh.
She got half of it.
We have half.
Yes, it's half. You can have half. Okay.
C'est pas comme
I'm winning. Okay, I don't want to look at the paper.
Depuis combien de temps es-tu ici?
Ah, ça c'est. That's a simple question for me now. You say since when I've been here?
Non.
Okay, depuis combien de temps
Es-tu ici?
es-tu ici? You say since how long have I been here?
Almost.
For how long have I been here?
Non.
Ha. Depuis combien de temps?
Es-tu ici?
For how long have I been here? That's my last answer.
Donc, I stay where you are. Yeah. I said tu es ici, you is no.
I know
I
that.
said depuis combien de temps es-tu ici? How long have you been here?
It's always what I said.
No,
man.
you say for how long? What did you say?
I said for how long have you been
No,
here?
say
Because it's the answer I know that I have to say it to myself.
me.
For how long have I been here?
Alors,
But I said for how long have you been here?
alors, half point to it.
Okay, I have no problem. I will give you a top 4 now.
No,
Give you a strong
mommy.
winner.
Oh.
Okay, it's my turn now. Imadomo Igbo Wugame.
Say it again.
Giadomo Igbo Wugame.
Remember, I don't know the last. Wait, say it again, please.
Giadomo Igbe Nario Wugame.
Go and dress up. No, go and dress up. Let's go to. What is it?
Wugame.
My uncle's house.
He said Wugame, my uncle has. He said this girl.
My daddy.
No, Wugame. Now you go Salobua.
So church. Go and dress up. Let's go to church.
But I told you now, I said it's half. It's half because
Okay,
because I said Salobua. That's how you understood what I said.
So I have 2 because I was having 1 half.
Okay. It's because I said Salobua. Okay, over to you.
I'm looking for a difficult one now.
Yeah.
Let me see if the one that says. Quels sont tes passe-temps?
Quels sont tes
Tes
passe-temps?
passe-temps.
Ha. Me, I've not heard that kind of French since I've been in France. In France. Quels sont
Tes
tes
passe-temps.
passe-temps? Pastor?
Non, passe-temps.
I
Passe-temps.
don't know what is pastor, but I know quels sont, what are,
Yes.
I don't know pastor.
I see it.
Yes.
What are your hobbies?
What is pastor? I'm
Yes.
hearing that for the first time.
So you have to leave because you have it 2 and half points.
Okay.
It's your turn.
Okay, it's my turn now. Wadore mi o pa o.
Come and see something.
Come and see something or come and see one thing.
Come and see one. Je viens de découvrir que ma fille est une weeb.
Weeb. What is weeb? Hey, je viens de découvrir que ma fille est une weeb.
Yes.
I just found out that my daughter is, I don't know what is weeb. I just found out that my daughter is weeb. I don't know what is weeb.
Okay. It's okay. It's
Yes.
that's an answer. Weeb is weeb in English too.
It's what?
It's somebody that love Japanese cartoon.
This girl.
Yeah, 4.
But
Half
I
don't
don't know.
worry. Tilly and half.
La diyan yo der remain igbera.
Leave my front.
No, not so down when down is front. La diyan yo der remain igbera.
Leave the roads. Let me pass.
Hey, she got it.
For you have 3 and half and me half 4.
Yeah, ask you.
Quand mes enfants étaient petits, ils ne regardaient que des dessins animés sur Google.
Ah, that one's very easy now.
Ah bon?
Yes,
I
now.
thought it was long, mais non, quand tu...
When my children were little, they loved to watch cartoon in Gully.
Oh.
Gully is a station. See this girl now. She want to try me. This question, they are too much easy for me.
4.
Okay.
Okay, it's your turn.
It's okay, nice.
So it's the last one.
Okay, now it's my last question. Hey, I'm going to pepper you.
Oh, mommy.
I'm going to pepper this girl. Let me think. Emi jeme wadame.
Is what?
Emi jeme wadame.
I know, but I don't have to say it. Say it.
Emi jeme wadame.
Stop deceiving me.
Emi jeme dame murion.
My mommy is paying me. Wait.
My mommy is paying me.
My mommy is paying me.
You don't know it. Let me just
No,
say.
I know it. I will say it. Wait,
Emi jeme wadame murion.
Ma mommy is paying that.
No, pas du tout.
Pas du tout. Attends, je get one.
You get one, yes.
Wait,
Yeah, because there's my mommy inside, yes.
No, get a pen that one.
It's because you are putting pain in my heart. That's why it's difficult for you. Instead of pain in my heart, you use something.
Okay, say it.
Emi jeme wadame yarere yami jeme. I try to add something to make it more easier. Emi jeme wadame yarere yami jeme.
Wait. It is that one that is.
Mirabel, you're taking too
no,
much
mommy,
time.
wait, give me like.
This is the last chance. I'm still going to win this chocolate. You cannot get it. I know you know. I'm going to win this biscuit because I know you cannot get it.
Because of that.
I will not change it. Emi jeme wadame murion yarere yami jeme.
But see, steps to my mommy and my mommy have to put this out.
I know, how can I tell you? It's a question now.
My mommy, wait. My mom.
I am missing my mommy. I will soon go and see her.
It's missing. My mommy, I don't know.
I am missing my mommy. I will soon go and see my mommy. Okay, the last question from mommy.
Yes, it was that's one for me too. I have 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm the winner. I knew it. This girl, she said she wanted to challenge me. She forgot that I've been in France for years. I'm the winner. So guys, I want this bucket of biscuits. I'm going to open it now and we see what is inside. It's a new one. It haven't been opened. So let's open. Let me open now. Wow! I am the winner. Don't think I will give you a. Don't even laugh. I will not give you. I am the winner. Let me test it. This is biscuit. Mubang biscuits.
Mukbang. No, I'm saying mukbang. I don't get it.
It's Mubang biscuits. This is Mubang. The biscuit is very good. Guys, go and check out this biscuit. It's good.
I thought you were giving me one.
No? What will I give you? Am I not the winner? See this girl. I'm going for my biscuit. Take one.
Thank you.
Because it got 4. Take 2.
Thank you.
Long throat. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. This is Mirabel Family TV. Thank you all for watching and may God bless you. Don't forget to hit the red button and click on the notification bell. Alright guys, bye. Maybe we are going to have another part of this challenge. Maybe. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching.